Okay, this video is a quick video to demonstrate how to utilize the Regional Fire Behavior Forecast tool, the layers, and the fire danger during your daily work. Okay, first off, make sure you fire up EasyMap and restart it from scratch. So I'm just doing that. Sorry, that'll take a moment because bandwidth's really slow today and every other day. Alright, so it's good to start with the blank map. If your map's not blank, just load up the maps and go all layers off. That will clean things up. And from there you can open up the toolbox. In the toolbox, choose the Riff Biff tool. We were developing for mobile when we tried to make this small and it didn't quite work out, so you might as well stretch that out a little bit to make it better. And then just hit play. Now the first time through it may not be able to draw correctly, so you have to let it loop. So you'll see here it's showing what you're looking at, which is pretty cool. So alright, so basically this is cycling through the known observed FWI values and the projected ones. Sometimes if you run the Riff Biff tool at 11 in the morning, it will show you today's predicted instead of today's observed and give you the other 2 days as well. At any point you can pause this animation with the layer in question on the screen. This happens to be today's actual FWI danger. From one of these dots you can determine whether this is real danger or if this is forecasted danger by opening this location and choosing Get Info on Map. So this is telling you that the fire danger rating is medium for this station, and it was a station observation, not a forecast. It's very simple. Coming soon will be another box down here with the details about the fire behavior for that fire danger rating. But in the meantime, these dots correspond directly to the colors found on the 1300 weather report. Okay, so when you're on a Riff Biff dot instead of a fire danger dot, it has a different response. So in here you can just click it. So you can hover over it and see St. Charles Creek, the date, and the value. But you could also click it. A normal click will open up the details of that fire danger dot and the forecast that generated it. So this is telling you this was the global forecast system was used to forecast this, and it used this station's values from yesterday, this observation here, and calculated these values here, all of which you can copy paste. Okay, so that gives you control over multiple layers. You can use the layer buttons to do this whole thing manually. So if you just want to know what the fire behavior conditions are at a specific station on day 3, and sometimes, then you can just get that value right there. Okay. In short, that's how you can do it here. Another way is to just use the weather tool that's here. Another way to track those values is to use the weather tool in the toolbox. Go to Products, Products Today, get the 1300 weather from today, which when you get it from here, instead of getting it emailed from Sparks, or from IntelliFire, is already rendered in full color. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope that's of some help to somebody.